Welcome to another episode of Fix It or Kick It Garage. Today's episode is this yellow aircraft, F-16, which I crashed a couple years ago. The rebuild starts now. I'm going to post up some pictures of the aftermath of the day that I crashed it, a few stills to show you what kind of damage was done on this. So as you can see, this left wing, the inboard wing, is completely just sheared off. The right wing is starboard is still intact, but I'm probably going to be cutting that out and putting a plug-in wing system on this thing. So let me bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see actually where it's at this stage. Again, this is yellow aircraft F-16. I've gutted it out. I've got everything out of it. Motors out of it. There's a few wires in there and stuff. Got the elevator servo out. The rudder servo still intact. The spring air retracts are still there. Maybe replacing them. I don't know. I'll have to test them out. And this part right here, it just ripped it completely out. And the canopy is around here somewhere, which is trashed. So I'll probably, this is a little smaller than the HSD. And it's the same thing that I did with my F-86. That's a little larger than the free wing F-86, but I used the free wing F-86 canopy and tied it in with that, and it worked out great. So what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to use the HSD, which is a little larger, but I'm just going to cut it down. I'll cut it down, that way it'll look right. So the rebuild starts now, so like and subscribe, and to see all the upcoming videos that I'm going to post is not going to be done in one video, of course, because it's a lot of work. So again, yellow aircraft F-16C. Come back for all the videos in the series of 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how many it's going to be, but for this first video, the rebuild starts now, so like and subscribe that way, and hit that notification bell. That way you can see all the episodes that I post in terms of the rebuild.